Welcome to Infigyan. Here's an algebraic equation that never ends on both sides. On the left we have infinite continued fraction. On the right an infinite radical. Surprisingly, they are equal for a specific value of x. Now you may pause this video and find that positive real x. So let's get it started. We are going to assume LHS equal to A, RHS equal to B. Given that x belongs to positive real number, we can say B must be positive, so A must be positive. We can write equation A equal to B as A is our LHS, B is our RHS. Now we will write our A separately. LHS A equal to 2 plus x minus 2 over. This denominator we can write A once again, as it is infinite continued fraction. So we will write A in the denominator. Now we will take LCM. We will get A square equal to 2A plus x minus 2. Let's write all the terms to left side. We will get A square minus 2A minus of x minus 2 equal to 0. We'll consider this as equation number 1. Now we have to write RHS B. So we can write B will be equal to the square root of x plus, and here we can write B once again, as we have infinite nested radical. So we will write x plus B. After squaring both sides, we will get B square equal to x plus B, or we can write our second quadratic equation in B, B square minus B minus x equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now we have to solve both the equations one by one. So I will consider first equation here, A square minus 2A minus x minus 2, which I will write in the right hand side. So it is equal to x minus 2. Now I'll be using completing the square method. So I need to add 1 to both sides. Now LHS will give us one perfect square of A minus 1. So we will write A minus 1 whole square equal to x minus 1. Now we will take square root both sides. So A minus 1 will be equal to plus minus a square root of x minus 1. Now we will add 1 to both sides to get the value of A. A will be 1 plus minus a square root of x minus 1. This is A. Now we will take up second quadratic equation, B square minus B minus x equal to 0. Let me write here the value of A, B and C. So A is 1, B is minus 1 and C is minus x. Now we are going to use quadratic formula. B will be equal to minus B plus minus a square root of B square minus 4 times AC over 2 times A. Let's plug in all the values of A, B and C. We will get minus B, so minus of minus 1, we will write 1 plus minus a square root of B square will be minus 1 square, we'll write 1 here, minus 4 times 1 times minus x, and in denominator we will write 2 times 1, which is 2. Remember, A is 1 plus minus square root of x minus 1. Now we will get 1 plus 4x in the radicand here in the value of B. So I will write here B equal to 1 plus minus square root 4x plus 1 over 2. 1 plus minus square root of 4x plus 1 over 2. Now we will be writing A. A will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of x minus 1. Now A equal to B. So we will write A equal to B. So 1 plus minus square root of x minus 1. This is A. It must be equal to B. 1 plus minus square root of 4x plus 1 over 2. Now we will multiply both sides by 2 to eliminate RHS denominator. We will get 2 plus minus 2 times square root x minus 1 equal to 1 plus minus square root 4x plus 1. Now we have to subtract 1 from both the sides. So plus minus 1 will be cancelled out. In LHS we will get 1 plus minus 2 times square root x minus 1 equal to plus minus square root of 4x plus 1. Now we have to consider squaring both sides. So I will write 1 plus minus 2 times square root x minus 1 whole square in LHS. This must be equal to plus minus square root of 4x plus 1 whole square. Now we have to use a plus minus b whole square formula over here. So we will get a square plus b square. So 1 plus b square will be 4 times x minus 1. Then we have to write plus minus sign. 2 times 1 times 2 is 4. Square root of x minus 1 will be equal to plus, and square root square will be over. We will get 4x plus 1. Now we can subtract 1 from both the sides. Now we have to simplify. We will write 4x minus 4 plus minus 4 times square root of x minus 1 equal to 4x. Now we will subtract 4x from both the sides. So we are going to get 0 in the RHS. So we will write minus 4 plus minus 4 times square root of x minus 1 in LHS and 0 in the RHS. Now we will take minus 4 to the RHS. So we can write plus minus 4 times square root x minus 1 equal to 4. Now we can divide both sides by 4. So we will write here divided by 4, divided by 4. 4 over 4 will be 1. So we can write plus minus square root x minus 1 equal to 1. Again we have to consider is squaring both sides, and we will get x minus 1 equal to 1. Just by adding 1 to both sides, we will get our answer x equal to 2. Now we are going to verify our result. So I will write here check x equal to 2. So we have to write our LHS first. In LHS, we will write here x equal to 2. Here we have LHS. So let me write here 2 plus 2 minus 2 over 2 plus 2 minus 2 over 2 plus 2 minus 2 over, and so on. So we are going to get 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. So in total LHS would be 2 only, this term only. Now we have to find RHS, and RHS is equal to B. So we can write B value. Value is 1 plus minus square root of 4x plus 1 over 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 4 times 2 plus 1 over 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 8 plus 1 over 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root 9 over 2. Square root 9 is 3. We will get 1 plus minus 3 over 2. So with plus sign we'll get 4 over 2. So I am writing 2 here. With minus sign before 3, I will get minus 2 over 2 minus 1. For x to be real, b cannot be negative. So we will reject minus 1. RHS equal to 2, LHS equal to 2. Hence our solution x equal to 2 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.